go, go.
You got the window?
Yeah, he's at the window.
Company time.
Hey! Okay, no worries.
Don't shoot my red.
It's okay, he's on PT.
He's a volunteer. He's replaceable.
Got two guys on the right side.
You pin him, I'm gonna move to you.
Yeah, okay, go, 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 go. Hi, I'm Jay with Doom Crew. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Daniel. Austin.
All right, well, for the most part, I don't know if they're all part of your group. Who are you guys?
I'm
FST Airsoft. These guys got these cute Polarstars going. Beast, pink.
That bitch right here.
Yeah, look at that, look at that. Woo! Now, where do you guys get your Polarstars from?
Airsoft
Like
Junkies.
Airsoft Junkies? There we go. There we go. I actually just talked to Sam. He's actually hooked me up a little bit with my Polarstar. I had to put some stuff in there. It just got shipped or actually shipped. It'll be here the 13th. Can't wait to show you guys that. I can run with these guys doing some Polarstar stuff. They can show me a thing or two how to use it, and hopefully I don't have to abuse it as much. But definitely an outdoors type of gun. So I'm gonna pass you over back to Brooks over here doing his little thing. But let's check it out. That's Brooks in his natural environment. That's Darren. We can edit him out. What? There's Thomas. Yeah. How do you like the Rafka?
Oh, dude, this shit's crazy, man.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Is it yours? Is it yours?
No, it's Ray's.
You want to buy it, huh?
Yeah.
Doom Crew Bridget.
She's on her period.
Doom Crew Bridget. Doom Crew
But she's a crazy airsofter other than anything else. But no, they can edit it out.
Shout out to his cousin.
Shout out to
He got surrendered twice.
Got surrendered twice. He got shot 3 times, but he got surrendered twice like a bitch.
Shout out to Jocelyn.
At the comments below.
Jocelyn. Hi everyone, I'm Jay,
I'm Ray.
and we're part of DC Doom Crew.
And that's Rory back there. Sorry to interrupt you. That's Rory.
He's already Doom Crew.
That's our black friend.
Yeah.
Not on Stag
Right now,
anymore.
Not on Stag.
Filming everything right now. His name is Brooks. Great filmer and airsofter. We want to give a shout out to Ryan from Oregon.
Can't wait to see you in April.
Can't wait to see you in April. We appreciate the views and all the likes and just being there for us, you know, sharing shit.
Thanks for the support, guys.
Just, hey, our fans make us who we are.
Thomas, you got anything to say? No? Okay. Brent, you got anything to say to the fans?
BillSimJunkie.com, baby! What?
Excuse me? What'd you say? No.
Anyways, so on behalf of Doom Crew Airsoft, hope to see you next time, Ryan. April, I think. See you then.
Shout out. I'm sorry.
Okay, good. Shout out to Jocelyn.
No, I didn't. I swear.
Bridget's cousin? Niece? All right. Bridget's niece, Jocelyn. I'm Jay. This is Ray. We think you're smoking hot and you deserve better in life. Just remember that.
You want me to say that video so you can show her later?
Bridget's niece, Jocelyn, right?
Yes.
All right. Jocelyn.
You know,
Jocelyn.
I'm on the team too.
I think you're very pretty.
Let's want to see my pistol. Elite Force 1911, first gen, amazing. This is Brooks. We all think that you deserve better, and
J-Pac's Magnums, not Smith & Wesson.
I'm a good 80 inches. That's it. That's all you get.